I've always been captivated by the vastness of the universe and the mysteries it holds. Did you know that there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth? It's mind-boggling to think about the sheer scale of our cosmos. One of the most fascinating facts about space is that it's not just empty darkness out there. In fact, space is filled with invisible magnetic fields that shape the way galaxies, stars, and planets move and interact. These magnetic fields play a crucial role in the formation and evolution of celestial bodies. Speaking of celestial bodies, black holes are some of the most enigmatic objects in the universe. These cosmic vacuum cleaners have such strong gravitational pull that not even light can escape from them. Imagine a place where the laws of physics, as we know them, break down completely. That's the mysterious world of black holes. But it's not all doom and gloom in space. There are also some truly awe-inspiring phenomena to marvel at. Take, for example, the beauty of a supernova explosion. When a massive star reaches the end of its life cycle, it explodes in a brilliant display of light and energy, releasing more energy in a few seconds than our sun will in its entire lifetime. And let's not forget about the wonders of our own solar system. Did you know that there are more moons in our solar system than planets? Jupiter alone has a whopping 79 moons, each with its own unique characteristics and mysteries waiting to be unraveled. As we continue to explore and study the universe, we uncover more and more fascinating facts that challenge our understanding of the cosmos. From the strange behavior of dark matter to the possibility of parallel universes, the universe never fails to surprise and intrigue us. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that you're gazing into a vast and mysterious realm full of wonders waiting to be discovered. The universe may be vast and mysterious, but it's also full of beauty and awe-inspiring phenomena that remind us of the incredible complexity and diversity of the cosmos.